Kansas City, 1981. A grand celebration at the Hyatt Regency turned into one of the deadliest structural failures in history. Welcome to Structural Secrets. Today we reveal the gravity of error behind the Hyatt Regency Walkway tragedy. The story begins in the heart of the United States, in a city looking toward a bright, modern future. The Hyatt Regency was an architectural marvel, featuring 3 massive walkways suspended high above the bustling atrium floor. The design was bold. Long steel rods were intended to hang from the ceiling, supporting the weight of the second and fourth floor paths. Engineers envisioned a light, floating aesthetic. But beneath the surface, a critical flaw was being introduced during the transition from paper to reality. The original plan called for continuous steel rods stretching from the ceiling down to the lowest walkway. However, the fabricator proposed a change: 2 separate sets of rods to make the installation easier for the construction crews. This seemingly minor adjustment effectively doubled the load on the beams of the 4th floor walkway. It was a ticking time bomb. July 17, 1981, over 1,600 people gathered for a popular tea dance. The walkways were filled with spectators watching the dancers below. Small cracks began to form in the concrete surfaces. The steel moaned under the weight, but the music drowned out the warnings. At 7:05 p.m., the 4th floor walkway connection finally failed. The rods pulled through the beams with catastrophic force. Both walkways collapsed, falling 60 feet into the crowded lobby. In an instant, the night of joy became a scene of devastation. The aftermath was a somber landscape of shattered glass and twisted metal. Emergency crews worked through the night under the glare of sirens. Investigators later found that the modified design didn't even meet minimal building code requirements. The error was fundamental. By shifting the rods, the 4th floor beam had to support not only its own weight, but the weight of the walkway below it. The Hyatt Regency collapse remains a sobering reminder of the ethical responsibility engineers hold for public safety. Every detail matters. Subscribe to Structural Secrets for more deep dives into the hidden world of engineering. Stay curious and stay safe.